Yes, good afternoon class 5. Today first of all I want to discuss the syllabus for term 1, because in yesterday you were asking about the syllabus. So kindly those who have written, they check the syllabus, and those who have not written, they kindly write down the syllabus. Okay, for term 1 magic and composite both. See, for term 1 from magic we have chapter number 1, the fish tail. Chapter number 1, the fish tail. Chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Then chapter number 3, how many squares. Chapter number 3, how many squares. Chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Chapter number 5, does it look the same. Chapter number 5, does it look the same. Chapter number 6, be my multiple, I will be your factor. Chapter number 6, be my multiple, I will be your factor. And the last one is chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. Chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. These are the chapters from Math Magic. Srijan, kindly hear me. Chapter number 1, fish tail. Chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Chapter number 3, how many squares. Chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Chapter number 5, does it look the same. Chapter number 6, be my multiple, I will be your factor. And chapter number 9, it is boxes and sketches. These are the chapters of Math Magic. And for composite maths, it is chapter number 3, large numbers. Chapter number 3, large numbers. Chapter number 4, operation on large numbers. Chapter number 4, operation on large numbers. Next you will practice chapter number 16, money. Chapter number 17, basic geometrical concept. Chapter number 18, concept of angles. Then chapter number 22 and 23, perimeter of the rectilinear figures and area. Perimeter of the rectilinear figures and area. These two chapters are related to how many squares. Okay. Then chapter number 7, fraction. Chapter number 7, fraction. This is related to parts and wholes. Then chapter number 6, factors and multiples. And this is related to be my multiple, I will be your factor. Chapter number 6, factors and multiples. Okay. And for other chapters, that is chapter number 5 and chapter number 9, does it look the same, and boxes and sketches, I will make you to do some extra questions from other books. Okay. You do not have any chapter related to this in the composite maths. So once more I am saying you, for composite maths it is large numbers, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 16, 17, 18, then 22, 23, then chapter number 7, 6. So 3, 4, 6, 7, 16, 17, 18, 22 and 23. These are the chapters of composite maths, okay, which are related to Math Magic. So I think now for everyone the term 1 syllabus is clear. Now term 1 syllabus is clear to everyone, isn't it? So only one chapter is left, that is boxes and sketches. After that we will start revision from composite as well as from magic, both we will start revision. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Now everyone open the Math Magic book and come to page number 128. Yesterday we have completed page number 128. This is page number 128. In page number 128, the last topic was boxes and boxes, and there you have learned what will be the net of different types of shapes, isn't it? There 4 different shapes were given, and you have to match that 4 different shapes with their net. That means with their 2-dimensional shape you have to match that 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, and you have already done and you have sent the picture to me. Clear? Now today we will discuss from Page number 129 of Math Magic. Page number 129 of Math Magic. Floor maps. The topic is floor maps. So, listen to me very properly. For making a house, a floor map is first made. Now, floor map is a two-dimensional map which is first made to make a house. Okay, that is the plan which we have to pass from the municipality. Okay, wherever whosoever is making the house at the front, at the first stage they have to draw the maps with the help of that with the help of that architect engineer. They have to make the maps, the floor maps, then they have to pass that floor map, and after that based on that floor map they are drawing or they are making the houses. Okay. So, here the floor maps are given. It is told that for making a house, a floor map is first made. Have you ever seen a floor map? Here is a floor map of Webhoff's house. It shows where the windows and the doors are in the house. Now, this map is Webhoff's house. Okay. This floor map resembles or shows Webhoff's house. So, in Webhoff's house, how many doors and how many windows are there? It is being shown in this floor map. Now, see the first question. Which is the front side of her house? How many windows are there on the front side? Sorry, the name is Vibha, not Webhoff. I am saying Webhoff. It is Vibha's house. Okay, because here it is written her. Since her is written, that means it is Vibha. It is a girl, not a boy, and Webhoff is a boy. So, I am mistaken. It is Vibha. So, Vibha's house is shown, and the question 1 is, which is the front side of her house? Can you tell me which one is the front side of the house? See, in the floor map you can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 windows are showing. It is written 4 windows and 1 door, isn't it? So, it is quite natural that you will enter from the door only, not from the window. So, the portion which is showing the door, that is the front side of the house. So, just circle the whole thing. You circle the whole thing. The window and the door, the window and the door, you just circle the whole. That means 2 window and 1 door is there. So, you circle that whole thing, which shows that it is the front side of Vibha's house. Okay. Now, the second question, how many windows are there on the front side? Now, how many windows are there on the front side? In the front side you can see 2 windows, isn't it? So, you will write in the front side there are 2 windows, and if it is asked about door, you will write 1 door. So, in the front side 2 windows and 1 door is there. Now, the next one, from the floor map we cannot make out what her house really looks like or how high the windows are. So, we look for a special way of drawing the house which is deep to show the length, width and height. Yes, as I have told you, the floor map, it is the two-dimensional shape map. So, in this two-dimensional shape map, it is not clear what is the length, what is the breadth or what is the width or what is the height of the house. So, for this thing they have to make the deep drawing. That means they have to make the three-dimensional drawing of the floor map to understand the length, breadth and height of the house. So, see, here are 4 deep drawings of houses. Now, here 4 drawings are given of the deep houses. That means 4 drawings of the three-dimensional shape of the houses are given. You have to identify which one is Vibha's house. Now, A, B, C, D, 4 drawings are given. Just identify which one is Vibha's house. Can you tell me the answer? Which one is Vibha's house? Exactly, Yuthin, you are correct. You have done the correct drawing. This one, Orchishman is also correct. Shomili, you can see the chat box. Orchishman and Yuthin, they have sent. It is correct. How to circle it? It is correct. Miss Baul is writing number C. That means he is saying the deep drawings number C is correct. Is it so? Yes, Shomojit, it is correct. Can you tell me the deep drawing, which one is correct? A, B, C or D? That means in the front side there will be one door and one window, and one window will be at the back side. I think you are correct. It is number C. Number C. See, number A, you can see that for figure number A, just see there is the front side, there is the door, and just the door, then the window is there. There is no gap between the door and the window. That's why it is not the deep drawing of the Vibha's house. Now for second one, number B. Number B, you can see the third window is shown, whereas in the floor map there is no third window in the left side of the door, isn't it? In the left side of the door there is no third window, only one window is there. So naturally number B will also not be there. For number C, you can see the windows are in a distance with that door, and in the right side there is one window shown as it is shown in the floor map. So number C will be the correct answer. Whereas number D, you can see number D is also the same as C, but there is a difference. What is the difference? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the difference? The difference is the left side window. You can see the left side window is in the middle of number D. Figure number D, the window is in the middle, whereas the window is in the side of the house, in the left side of the house. I am talking the left side window. Okay. So in the left side window, that means the purple color. The purple color, you can see the window is in the middle, whereas in the floor map it is shown at the side. That's why from all point of view, figure number C is the correct answer. So give a tick mark in figure number C. That means figure C is the deep drawing of Vibha's house. Now the next question. Why do the other three deep drawings not match the floor map? Discuss. Just now we have discussed why it is not matching. Okay. Now turn the page, page number 130. Page number 130. Yes, come to page number 130, practice time. Look at this floor map of a house. Make doors and windows on the deep drawing of this house. Now see, one floor map is given, you have to draw the deep drawing. That means just the floor map is given. By looking the floor map, you will just draw the door and window, the doors and windows in the deep drawing. That means in the three-dimensional shape. Okay. So here it is given one door and two windows it is given. So how you will draw? How you will draw? Miss Baul, switch off your front camera. How can you draw? See, this is impossible for me to draw in the board and show to you. Okay, just I am saying you draw it. See, from the floor map, the door is at the side, at the left side. So kindly you draw in the three-dimensional shape. You draw the door at the side of the house. Okay. After that, there are two windows. So these two windows will be in the left side of the house. Two windows in the adjacent side, means two windows very close in the left side. So do it. Okay. Now next is, are there any windows you don't show on the deep drawing? Yes, there are two windows that could not be shown on the deep drawing. These windows are we are not able to show in the three-dimensional shape or in the deep drawing, isn't it? Because it is at the back side of the house. That's why we are not able to show these two windows. Clear? These two windows we are not able to show. This one. See, one is this window we are not able to show, and one is this one. Okay, these two windows we are not able to show. These two windows we are not able to show. Yes, Yutin, you are correct. It will be exactly like this. See, exactly it will be like this. This window is here, that's why we are not able to show it. This window and this one is in the side, that's why we are able to show these two windows. Okay, so draw at the side. Yutin is correct. Now come to the next question. Try to make a floor map of your own house. Now you take your help from your father and try to draw a floor map of your own house. Okay, now this is an activity, you will do it of your own. Just you have to draw the floor maps. Now come to the next topic. The next topic, a deep drawing of a cube. Now deep drawing of a cube, that means you have to draw the three-dimensional shape of a cube. Okay, and as you know, cube, we are getting cube from square, isn't it? Square is the two-dimensional shape, and when it is becoming three-dimensional, that square is known as cube. And rectangle is two-dimensional, when it is going to three-dimensional, it is known as cuboid. Okay, similarly triangle, then cone, circle and sphere. Circle in the two-dimensional, and when it is going to the three-dimensional, it becomes sphere. Yes, Soumitra and his friends made deep drawing of a cube. Now Soumitra and his friend make a deep drawing of the cube. It is shown. These are their drawings. Now they have made these drawings A, B, C, D, E, F and G. These are the drawings made by Soumitra and his friend, and these drawings they resembles the cube. The question is, which of the drawing look correct to you? Discuss. Now among these all, which one is correct? That means which one is accurately the three-dimensional shape of a cube? You have to say which one is correct. Not number A, B, C, but it is number D, yes, number E and number G. So give a tick mark in number D, figure number D, figure number E and figure number G. Give a tick mark in figure D, figure E and figure G. Okay. Yes, E is there. You are writing E, but D is also there. D, E, G. D for dog. Okay. So D, then E, then G. All the three are the deep drawing or the three-dimensional drawing of a cube. Now the next question. Can you add some lines to make drawing F into a deep drawing of the cube? See, number F, only one square is shown. So just match that square with one more square and do it as a cube. So draw it, number F, draw into a cube and send the picture to me. Yes, Debaditya, it is correct. Quickly draw and send the picture to me. Number F. Number F, only one square is given. You have to draw it into a cube. Quickly draw into a cube and then send to me. You can take the help of scale also. Yes, Shomili, it is correct. Very good. It is correct. It is correct, Shomili. Next. Others also quickly draw and send to me. Okay, you will do it. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 131, puzzle. Page number 131, puzzle. This cutout is folded to make a cube. Now one net is there of a cube. When it is folding, it is becoming two-dimensional shape of a cube. Okay, and as you can see, it is becoming like a dice, isn't it? So which of these are the correct deep drawings of that cube? You have to answer that among this, which one is correct deep drawing of the cube as shown above. Okay. So, what will be the correct one? Just imagine when you are folding the upper one, whatever given in the book, when you are folding, you just imagine the numbers and then you match that which one is the correct. Which one is correct? It is number A. Number A is correct. Then B is wrong, C is also wrong. Number D. Number D is correct. And then number E. So, A, D and E is correct. So, give a tick mark in number A, figure number A, figure number D and figure number E. Figure A, figure D, figure E. Give a tick mark in A, D and E. Yes, Miss Baul, it is correct. So, figure A, D, E is same as the above picture is showing. Above picture it is the net, and figure A, D and E it is the cube. So, it is correct. Okay. B and C are wrong. B and C are wrong. It is not matching with the numbers as shown above. Yes. Now, come to the next topic. A simple way to draw a cube. Now, here it is discussed to draw how to draw the cube. You all know how to draw the cube and cuboid, isn't it? See, Chanda wants to make a deep drawing of this cube. She draws the cube like this. I drew two squares like this to show the front face and the back face. I joined the corners of the squares like this to make the deep drawing of the box. Yes, she has drawn two squares and then the two squares are joined by the corners and it has become to a cube. Okay. So, this way from the squares she has drawn a cube. Now, the next question is, in the same way make a deep drawing of a box which looks like this. Now, one box is shown to you, you have to make the box the deep drawing. Naturally, the box is a cuboid, it is not a cube, isn't it? That means, in this question you have to make the three-dimensional shape of a cuboid. I think you all know how to draw the cuboid, isn't it? You all know how to draw the cuboid. Just draw two rectangles and then match the two rectangles. Draw two rectangles and match the two rectangles with the corners. This will give you the three-dimensional shape or the deep drawing of a box. Okay. Now, turn the page, come to page 132. Turn the page, come to page 132. Now, match box play. Now, here the three friends, they are playing. Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya made this bridge using matchbox. Now, these three friends, they have made a bridge with the help of the matchbox. Naveen and Pratigya made drawings of the bridge. Now, after that they have made the drawings also of the bridge. The bridge looks like this to me from where I am standing. Now, one of the boy, he is saying that from where I am standing, the bridge is looking like this. Now, the bridge looks like this to me. My drawing shows how high our bridge is and how wide it is. And Pratigya is saying that from where I am standing, the bridge is looking like this, and it shows that what is the height of the bridge and how wide it is. Whereas, the other boy, he is saying that from your drawing I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out how wide it is. Now, the second boy, he is saying to the first boy that from your drawing I can just find out how long and how high it is, but I am not able to find what is the width of the bridge or what is the breadth of the bridge. Whereas, Pratigya, what she has drawn, she is saying that from this I can see what is the width of the bridge, but I am not able to see how much length it is. I can say only the height and the width. Okay. Now, come to page 133. 133. If you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? Choose the right drawing from below. Now, here two drawings are given. From these two drawings, you have to make out that which one is the correct answer. It is A or B. That means which one is the top view of the bridge? Can you tell me which one is the top view of the bridge? It is number B. Okay, it is number B. From B is the top view of the bridge, whereas A is the front view or the side view, not the top view. Next question is, look at the photo and try to make a deep drawing of this bridge. Now, it is asked to draw a deep drawing. Deep drawing means you have to draw the three-dimensional drawing of this bridge. Clear? So, students, today up to this only, because the time is over. You have to join your next class. We will discuss the practice time in our next class. Okay, and those who are present, just write present ma'am and send to me. This is for your attendance, and practice whatever we have done today, because this chapter is based on three-dimensional and two-dimensional shapes and the views. That means the top view, front view and side view. So, this is fully based on the drawing, not the calculation part. Okay, as we were doing calculation in other chapters, but in this chapter it is fully based upon the drawings. You are discussing the floor maps of the house, you are discussing the side view, top view of a bridge. Okay, so this way this chapter is related to the shapes as well as, that means how the two-dimensional shapes can be resembled to three-dimensional shapes. So, this chapter is discussing about the shapes and the views. So, once more you read of your home of your own at home. Clear? So, that's all for today, and if you have any queries you will ask me in the next class, and in the next class I want to complete this chapter, then I will give you some extra questions related to chapter 5 and chapter 9. Okay, means does it look the same, and this boxes and sketches. So, bye for today, and practice whatever we have done today. Bye all of you.